meditation posture, like just cross our legs and like
negative energies or the negative emotions. So then we have to control our mind from those. So controlling our mind, there are many techniques. So you can control your mind through meditation. You can control your mind through practice. You can control the physical body, like the we see, we can touch it, we can feel it. That's the physical, but we have a mind too. So whenever we do your meditations, we should keep that in our mind. Our mind should like they just cross their leg, they just close their eyes, but their mind is going everywhere, like even other countries, like So their mind is not stable. Their mind is going. So from
the we call the single pointed meditation. So only focusing on the one object. That's we call the single pointed meditation. So as a beginner, so if we are very beginners for the meditations, so you can take any kind of object. Doesn't mean like you have to take some practice, very simple things like singing bowls, like statues, like flower, like whatever you like. You can take that as an object front of you, and then try to focus on that object, and so when you are trying to focus on that object, so we have a two kind of enemies, two we call laxity and excitement emotions. How we control our negative emotions, how we control our anger, how we control our jealousy, how we control our attachment, how we control our ignorance. So then later you can focus on these emotions, But first, it is not important. It is not easy to just focus on this emotion. First, you need some physical things like a singing bowl, like a statue, and this, and then find
or focusing in your mind.
Through your mind.
Okay.
Yeah, you can close the object. So if you think your mind is going somewhere, and through your alertness, your mindfulness, bring back to your mind back to the Ashnak center or like the meditations like that.
I'm sorry, my English is not
No,
good.
it's good.
And meditation to Tonglen or Maitri, I meditate this. Is visualization or visualization? Okay,
You said Tonglen?
Tonglen
Yeah.
and Maitri.
Matri.
Yes.
Tonglen is a Tibetan word, right?
Yes.
It's a breathing process.
Okay.
Like breathing,
Yes.
inhale and exhale. So yeah, you can actually I forgot to tell you because in meditation you can just focus on your breathing too.
Okay.
You can just take a breath in, like an inhale or exhale. If you have a problem to selecting the object, or problem to focus on the object, so you can just focus on your breath, just inhale or exhale, you can only focus on your breath too. That's a Tamil word. Yeah, Maitri is a Sanskrit word, is like a love, for the all
Yes.
sentient beings, like that.
Yours.
Our monastery, we meditation special. We don't have like special things by our monastery, but every morning we have a morning prayer. So during the morning prayer, is kind of like a 10 to 15 minutes. So that time is kind of meditation. So monks, they're reciting their mantras multiple times, like more than 100 and 200 times. So that's kind of silent meditations. But we don't have any special meditation class that people can come and join. We don't have that.
And just significant things like in Hinduism, like they have some chantings and like this. So that's what my question is.
Yeah, we do have a chanting. Every morning we have a Yamindaka. We call the Yamindaka. I have a picture here. We have a Yamindaka prayer every morning, like 5 k.m. So it doesn't matter, it's like off day or like Sundays, every morning. So that's the chanting. We recite their practice, and we have mantra reciting. So even since today we have some special prayer for 1 week. So it's going to start this evening. So it's going to happen like tomorrow morning to evening. We have a non-stop prayers. Like we have like a 15 minutes break between the prayers, like 1 hour, but we have like many prayers and chanting too.
Yeah, what time do you finish today?
Today,
Your
then monks have their personal prayers to personal practice. So it's also take like 30 minutes and 40 minutes. Then they go to bed like around 10 or 10:30, and then they will wake up around 5 a.m. morning.
And can I ask you, when you meditate only to watch your mind and to look for the state of Buddha's consciousness? Do you meditate only to look for that, or you meditate for the world, for the persons?
Yeah, we meditate for the different things, like I said, we most of time when we meditate, we recite the mantras, so every practice is different. Like sometimes we have a compassion Buddha retreat, so that time we are more concentrated on the compassion Buddha, like his image, and like reciting his mantra and doing his practice. So we have a different practice all the time. But but morning we have a kind of fixed prayers. So that time we call the Yamindaka. We're reciting Yamindaka every morning, and we're reciting his mantra too. That's the every day. But after the morning prayer, then we have a different kind of prayers. So all the time the object is different. Yeah. So sometimes it's mantra, and sometimes we have a green Tara big image over there. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Right.
and all
Yeah.
also there.
So we have in Tara family we have 21 Taras. So green Tara is the one of the first female. We also call her first female Buddha, who's liberated from the samsara. So she's the one who teach to also persons, to how to, like the same like the Buddha, how to free from this suffering or this samsara.
So she's considered like a Buddha, but a
Yeah,
feminine.
she's a female Buddha.
First.
Yeah. She's the first female Buddha.
Wow.
Yeah.
First female.
Yeah, first female Buddha.
The last one, when you come to visit, you use the white,
Sculpt, yeah.
it like an offer?
Yeah.
Ah.
That's the kind of offering. Yeah.